Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hi, I'm Aishwarya. Welcome to 16th day of Vlogmas, and in this video I'm going to share with you all 10 things that you can track in your planner. So if you're somebody who has a planner और जिसको कोई भी idea नहीं है कि इसमें क्या लिखे और क्या track करे, this video is perfect for you. So let's get started. Number one thing that you can track in your planner is your daily routine. So this is how I do it. I hope you can see. So I have Friday, Saturday, Sunday here, and then I have list of things that I need to do next week, and then I divide those like that list into days, like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and again next week. So this works great for me because I know how my week is gonna look like, and I have a basic idea of things that I need to get done in that week. So it helps me like really like very well. So try it out for yourself. Number two is meal planning. I use my planners for meal planning as well. So I have a lot of meal planning template. I also put a little like this meal planning sheet on my refrigerator. If you're somebody who lives alone, like even if you live with family, try meal planning. This helps a lot of time, lot of money, and lot of energy, and yeah. So try meal planning, try tracking your meals. It's an excellent idea. Number three is cleaning routine. So I also like this page is from my planner. I just store it like out to like show you guys. So cleaning routine is also a wonderful idea to track because you like I have divided all the tasks like on different days. Then I have few things that I do daily, few things that I do in like weekly, and few things that I do monthly. So this also saves me a lot of time and a lot of energy because I exactly know what I'm supposed to do that particular day. तो बहुत easy हो जाता है काम. So try tracking your cleaning routine as well. Number fourth is bills. So you can track your expenses and your bills in your planner. So write down your expenses and every month, like every penny that you have spent. It helps you greatly, and you have an idea of where your money is going and what you can do to save it a bit. So yes, bills. So yes, bills. Number fifth is water intake. You can track your water intake. I think it's really important that you do. This will also be served as great reminder for you to drink more water. So you can use water intake bars, or you can use stickers or templates that are like readily available anywhere. You can also find them on Pinterest as well, or you can make one yourself. So try tracking your water. I think it's an amazing idea. I don't know why I'm laughing. Maybe it's the dogs. Yeah, I think it's because I could not say water intake template, water intake, water, whatever. You get the point. Number six is birthdays and anniversaries or events or big days or important days. So you can use your planner to track birthdays of your favorite people, your friends, your family, anniversary of your favorite people, your friends, your family, your important days, important events, dates if you go on any, if you're that lucky. What else? Your important meetings. So basically any sort of important day. It's planner helps you a lot. It has saved me so many times. So yes. Number seventh is to track things that you can do in your area. So when I shifted to Pune like few years back, I made list of things and list of places that I wanted to go, and I almost tried to do all of that. I went to Sinhagad. उसके पहले मैं obviously गई थी, but then now that I live in this city, I have to do that. I went to Parvati, I went to Raja Dinkar Kelkar Museum. So I made list of things that I wanted to do in this city. However, I think even today that would be a great idea to make list of things that I should do in this city. So yes, you can track, like make list of things that you can do in the city that you're living in right now. I think it would be really interesting. Number eight is to make a list of books that you want to read. I am going to do that because मैंने कुछ पढ़ा ही नहीं है इतने दिनों में, and I used to love reading. I don't know what happened and I haven't read, like मैंने पढ़ा ही नहीं है, बहुत दिन हो गए. So I think it would be a great idea to make list of books that I want to read and I want to reread, because it would be something to like revisit that space. I think I'm looking forward to it. So make list of things and track the list, like track the books that you want to read. I think it would be amazing. Number 9th obviously a series to watch or movies to watch, you can make list of things that you want, like movies that you want to watch or series that you want to watch or series that you want to recommend to somebody. I think it's amazing. It would be amazing. And number 10th and last is to make list of recipes that you want to try. I have so many recipes that I'm dying to try, and I think it would be great to make list of it so that I don't forget any. So you can use your planner to make list of recipes that you want to make. So yes, that's it. These were 10 things that you can track in your planner. I hope you like this video. If you did, don't forget to click on the like button and subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet, and I will see you in tomorrow's video. Till then, stay safe and take care. Bye bye.